So we got 2 low-carb mission tortillas, 2 whole eggs, 1 whole egg, 1 whole egg, some G-Hughes right on there, and we got 40 grams of oats, some pumpkin puree to add some more volume, some egg whites I mix in the oats while I'm cooking to give it a more volume also, cinnamon, strawberries, sweetener. About to smash that. That's the fuel for the lifting session, the cardio session, and the day ahead. Let's get it.
What's going on, YouTube? So if y'all recognize it, y'all already know. Y'all got it right. Okay, we in the parking lot of the Planet Fitness, the one and only Planet Fitness. The, you know what I mean, where all the gains go down, Planet Fitness. If you ain't with Planet Fitness, man, you is not doing it right, okay? So the main thing that we got today, of course, if y'all watch one of my other vlogs, right, I talk about that 15, 20 minutes. Within that little time window beforehand of me actually lifting the weights, I got some fast digesting carbs. And today, we don't got a Rice Krispie treat, okay? So, you know, last time that's what it was. We got us a cookie today. All right, was gonna say a name, but guess what? I don't really even know what type of brand this is, but main thing is it's a cookie. Okay, we got 220 calories. All right, as a matter of fact, the flavor, all right, for those of you that want to know, cranberry apricot oat cookie. Right, that doesn't sound elaborate, but I ain't gonna lie. But the main thing is that it got sugar, it got fat, and it got barely no protein. But the sugar is the fast digesting carbs that is gonna go straight to the bloodstream, straight to the bile, straight to the tri, straight to the shelf. If you already know, now you know, okay? So I'm about to go tear this up right here, okay? In the car right before the lifting session, and on my way to the drive, right? On my way to the gym, I've been sipping on this PE Science High Volume No Stim, right? I've been doing no stim, as a matter of fact, for about this little short, brief little time, about a month or so now. It's kind of short, right? But just me upping up my calories and, you know, prioritizing my recovery, my sleep, all that. I have not been reliant on heavy stims, you know. I do add it in every now and then, you know, for like a cardio session or something, but it's very minimal. Like I drink a Monster or something, not drinking no Bangs. I'm not intaking like 300 milligrams plus whatever, no. If anything, 200 milligrams and under, all right? And that's as needed if necessary, or if I want to, okay? But the matter of fact is I've been pretty much weaning off the stems, but still prioritizing them when it is useful in certain situations. But no stem pre-workout, right? Sipping on that on the way to the gym, get that in, you know what I mean? Get that thing digesting, get that thing in the process, starting up, right? We're gonna hit the cookie right now. We're gonna go get a lifting session. And this is, let's just say, the pre-workout little snack, right? So up top beforehand was meal 1, right? That was my real meal, my actual, you know, real sustenance. My protein, or a lot of my calories came from there. In total, this cookie with my pre-workout, 220 calories, okay? So that's gonna be additional to my first meal, right? And I'm gonna catch y'all in the locker room when I'm gonna be probably, you know, doing my after workout posing session. I find that's a mind muscle connection, you know what I mean? Practice my posing, you know, y'all gotta take a look at that. And on top of that, I'm gonna bring y'all into what I'm probably gonna be eating after the workout. So I'm gonna see y'all in the locker room. Alright, so we smashed the lifting session. I'm gonna get posted up in the locker room right now. And we got meal number 3 going down, protein serving number 2, okay? You know what I mean? So we got the best of the game right here, protein bar. Let me get that correct, okay? Okay, y'all can see that. 240 calories, okay? Nowhere near diet friendly, but it's busting. I'm talking about, yo, you feel like you're eating a dessert, okay? So I gotta wrap this up. I'm gonna go smash some cardio for about 40-50 minutes, incline treadmill. You already know that's the best thing right now, okay? Burn the most amount of calories, least amount of effort, all right? I'm gonna see y'all in the next eating session. So we out of there, okay? And we smashed the cardio, okay? I did about like 45 minutes or so. Easy little 400 calories burn, whether it be true or not. I be consistent with my treadmill data, okay? So 400 calories on the treadmill, and we hit my special cocktail, okay? You know what I mean? My electrolyte drink, my post-cardio electrolyte drink. So about a liter of water, about a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, a little salty, but I'm used to it, and I released a lot of salt. I'm talking about I was drenched. I had to come up out the shirt, the Gymshark tank top, into a regular, you know, replacement because it was that serious. But main thing is we got some post-cardio carbs to get some fuel in the tank, you know what I mean? So got some pop chips right here. And then we about to superset that with chocolate Rice Krispie treat, as you know, banging, okay? And you know what I mean? We about to hit the car right now. You see, daily routine, we're getting that walk in, because guess what? I ain't parked in front of the gym. I park about, you know, maybe 8 minutes down away from the gym, because it's a grind, okay? That's how you're supposed to do it consistently, and that's how I do it when I'm in the gas station, Walmart, whatever, okay? So I'm about to get into this work day I got ahead of me now. Gonna get some fuel in the tank, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna make some money, and I'll catch y'all in the next eating session. What's going on is, okay, we is at eating session probably maybe 3 or 4, right about there. Okay, so what's going down is the third protein feeding of the day. The feed, you know what I mean? Feed the beast. Okay, so we got, if y'all see right there. Okay, we got, y'all guessed it, chicken breast, some rice, and some veg. You know what I mean? It don't get more bro than that. But the main thing is that it's busting because I made it. You know, it's not no dry behind chicken. It's not no dry behind rice. Nah, it's on al dente. Okay, Andre way. All right, so I did my thing. Okay, of course, as I always do. I turned a bland meal into a flavorful meal with a variety of seasonings, sauces. G Hughes, that's my man. So all that, you know. And if y'all know G Hughes. Don't sleep on him. Okay, all types of sauces, everything. Make everything a little interesting. Okay, so on the side though, I got me a green apple right here. All right, and of course, 0 calories, 0 problems. I'll say that 100 times every single day. All right, so the veg of choice today is Brussels sprouts. I kind of usually do a combo, broccoli, Brussels, but I kind of ran out of broccoli, so that's what we're working with today. And this in total comes around like 500-600 calories. I'm gonna have the totals probably listed up somewhere there, and or at the end of the video for y'all today. All right, but total protein, total calories, all that's necessary in order to either lose weight, gain weight, maintain weight, gain weight, whatever. Okay, because if you got those two in mind, being mindful of those two, your protein and your calorie intake, that's all you need. Where the carbs and the fats fall in between, it's all preferential choice. All right, it don't matter. All right, now mind you, my particular stance on that, additional to that, is the fact that I try to eat a variety of vegetables, variety of fruits, and whole base meals, you know, whole foods and stuff like that, foods that are minimal ingredients, right? That's kind of like my stance on that 80% of the time. And as y'all see through other meals, other eating sessions, right, y'all see that I follow that exactly 80%. Rather, my main meals are usually predominantly whole food based, minimal ingredients, very simple, you know, but simple but effective, right? But I can choose to indulge in snacks that make me happy, make me, you know, feel that my diet is working along the way and it's sustainable for me. And that is what I came to the understanding. That's what gets me on track, on point, and staying on point, because that's what the main thing is about any diet. Okay, whatever. All right, so I'm gonna check back in with y'all probably when we back at the house, because I finished up a day's of work, good solid day of work. Okay, gotta get some money, man, chase a bag. Y'all do the same thing. It's summer 2021, right? School starting back up, especially for me also. So it's grind time. All right, I'm gonna see y'all in the next meal and we're gonna talk then. What's going on, YouTube? So we is at the desk right now and I got a little snack going on. Okay, so we got chocolate out over here. This is a 90 calorie fudge bar right here, about 5 grams of protein. And then we got right here, right, we got my protein brownie recipe. All right, that's up on my Instagram or my TikTok. Link's gonna be somewhere over here or in the description down below. And we got 70 calorie fiber one brownie right there. Okay, so that's what's going down. Gotta get this before things start melting, but I'm gonna be doing this super saiyan with some YouTube, you know what I mean, watching, learning, all that. And it's a little snack going down, but I'm gonna see y'all at the main meal or the nightcap, a lot of different things, but it's gonna be a banger, I'll tell you that straight up. So one of my personal favorites, I'm gonna bring y'all along with me and y'all gonna see what it is in a little bit. What's up? So we have concluded the full day of eating, all right? And as I said earlier, we gonna finish off strong. We gonna finish with a banger, okay? One of my all-time favorites, the nightcap, the sweet tooth killer, everything in one, right? You see this big monstrosity right here, right next to me, right? You thought this wasn't my meal right here, but this is my meal. This is, I tell you right here, about anywhere from like 1,600 milliliters. So, you know, if you convert that to liters, you know, basically it is a large behind amount. Okay, look at this right here in comparison to my face, right? It's a blender, it's a whole blender, you know, casing, right? And the thing is, this is my anabolic, basically Blizzard Oreo crumble, chocolate sprinkle, all that stuff. Okay, Dairy Queen replica. Okay, but let me tell you now, it's not Dairy Queen calories, it is not Dairy Queen problems. It is high protein, it is thick. All right, I can put this thing over my head, but I'm not gonna do it because I actually put some toppings on the top. You know what I mean? One of those fiber one bars that y'all saw earlier in the video. I have another one that I crumbled up and I sprinkled on top. That's my little topping, you know what I mean, for the get right, okay, to get right with doing it, because chocolate is the way to go. I don't care what y'all say, it's always the way to go. All right, but anyways, point is, I appreciate y'all for watching this full day of eating. This is not how I eat every single day. For the most part, my breakfast, the base of it is for really, you know, constant, you know, every single day, most of the time. But most of my other meals usually change, whether it be the protein source. I go from chicken and the protein source in my third meal to maybe being salmon or like beef or ground turkey. And my nightcap is not always this. Sometimes it's just Greek yogurt, some fruits, or some sort of creation of mine that I happen to just throw together at that moment, right? But also, this is nowhere near a fat loss diet, and that's not my particular goal right now. I am, if anything, what you could call it lean bulking or main gaining. So somewhat around my maintenance calories, which is from 27 to 2800 with my daily expenditure and my cardio and just my movement of me being myself. I need to consume 27 to 2800 calories to maintain my body weight. And with a little bit of overshoot, I am going to put on some, hopefully, muscle tissue, okay? Because that's the goal. I'm a bodybuilder, and I am trying to get bigger, get more size, because it's growing season, all right? We trying to put these calories to grow some gains, all right? That's always the main thing that we trying to do, okay? So I appreciate y'all for sticking around, and I got more of these coming. I got more vlogs coming. I got a whole variety of different types, and y'all stay tuned for that. I appreciate y'all, and if y'all stuck around this long in the video, for the algorithm, you know what I mean? Get this video out there, push it out, you know, make it do better things, bigger things, okay? I want y'all to type down in the comments, if y'all real ones, I want y'all to type down in the comments, protein, okay? Protein. If y'all do that, I know that y'all sticking by me. I know y'all some real ones, and I will definitely keep the content going for y'all, because y'all is not only the motivation, but I am just motivated in general, because I enjoy this with a passion, and it's something I always wanted to do, and I'm going to keep on doing it, growing, learning, getting better by the day, by the video. So I'm going to see y'all when I see y'all.